It's been 75 days. Damn, the cat's out of the bag. I should have killed you from the beginning. Now, pay the price for your actions and words. You really, it makes me feel very annoyed. Please don't bother me anymore. Annoying. Pula, where are you? I heard you fell. Are you okay? I have so much I want to say to you. Why are you lying here? Get up. You'll catch a cold. It's okay. It's alright. It's not your fault. It's just that I didn't manage to control my emotions. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have lost my temper with you. You are a very good younger sister. I really like you.